In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. Let's get started. First up, enable your Wi-Fi adapter. For that, launch settings. Now, head over to this section, network and internet. Scroll down to advanced network settings. Here you should see your Wi-Fi adapter listed. If it says disable, click enable. If it's not showing, don't worry, there are more fixes to try. Now click on the drop down. Now here you're gonna find the option of edit. Click on it. Click on the option configure. Now navigate to the tab driver. Click on the option update driver. From these options, select any of it and update the driver to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, you can reset network. For that, type in reset network at the top. Click on the option, then click on the option reset now and go through the process. This will reinstall all network adapters and reset network settings back to default. After this, restart your PC and check if Wi-Fi is showing. Lastly, what you can do is hard reset your PC. Hold down the power button on your PC for 30 seconds to completely shut it down. Wait for the time to pass, then release the button and power on your PC again. This simple step might help restore your Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.